Welcome to another video here in Cebu, and I'm about to move out of my condo over here behind me. It's called BE Residence, and I'm about to show you a quick tour before I'm gonna leave. Yeah, today I'm gonna go to an island, so I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. In the end of the video, I will also tell you how much it costs to rent here on a monthly basis, or even to buy this place. But anyways, I was here for 2 months, and it's a very nice place, very fancy. But we have a 7-Eleven, same as I had back in Thailand. And yeah, it's a pretty new building, guys. A big parking spot, where you also have an underground spot as well. We have a wash and dry. Here we have a working space, very nice. What I like about this place, it has a lot of amenities. Let's have a look. Yes, amenities. So that's where we're gonna head first. Number 5. Still very early morning here in Cebu. It's about 7:30, and this is the pool here. Yeah, not too shabby, hey? Really big. Look at this, guys. I like the seats over here on the right. You have all these seats. You have laying beds over there. Let's make a little tour. It's also very family friendly, as you can see. Look, that's why many families, they book the Airbnb over here. This place is actually very close to IT Park with all the Avidas, but none of these Avidas, they have a sauna. This is the reason why I took this place. But guess what? Closed for maintenance. And you know how long it took? 1 month, and now probably like 5 days. Yeah, 35 days to fix this, and it's not even fixed. Yeah, that's the reason why I moved here, to be honest. I love sauna. I like to be in a sauna every single day. But yeah, here's the pool. At least we have a pool. It's a small gym. Let's have a look. We have cardio, and then it's a very, very small one over here. But better than nothing, hey? Look, we have our weights. We got a bench press here, and yeah, this is where I do workouts. If I'm not doing Muay Thai, I'm just here in the gym. If you wanna rent any place in Cebu, watch out when you come. For example, now at this particular moment, it's rainy season. It rains so much here in Cebu, while in the islands, way less. One of my friends is in Siargao, and there it's not even rainy season, this is dry season. Let's go upstairs and check out the room. Let's go. Gonna be heading to a new island where I've never been. It's part of Cebu. It's called Bantayan Island, all the way up to the north. Probably have to drive for about 3 hours to a port, and then 1 hour to Bantayan. So excited. Welcome. Good. Let's have a quick look, guys, what we have here. It's a very nice place. Everything is clean as well. Look, we have our plates, we have glasses. Everything is furnished, as you can see. We got a thing to cook. We have a microwave. We have Jesus. Hello. Amen. Then we have a fridge as well. We got a freezer. The bathroom first, guys. We have a very nice bum gun. Look at the pressure. Woohoo! That's very hard. Then we have a sink, mirror. Got an overhead shower. Then next we got our sofa with beautiful pillows. Look at this, how nice. Then let's have a look. Painting, very nice. I like the interior, to be honest, with all the plants. Yes, we have some flowers, orchids, my favorites. Then we have a big TV, a big wardrobe. We even have Merry Christmas. It's only August, but it's Christmas all year round in the Philippines. They literally start in September very soon. So yeah, Merry Christmas. We have an AC with some birds inside. They are now sleeping maybe, but they will wake up very soon, I guess. Then we have the bed. Oh my goodness. Very good bed. Double bed, nice pillows. The thing that I dislike about this condo, what I used to have all the time with any other place that I stay, is having a balcony. This place doesn't have a balcony, but has a nice view, as you can see. View over the city. We have IT Park over there. On the left side we have Tops. So yeah, it's very nice. And yeah, spacious enough for one person, to be honest. It's about 22 square meters. Oh! Hello, cuties. And they do this from 5:30, 6-ish in the morning. Yeah, luckily I wake up early most of the times. Look at this. At least 3 little birds. And if I do this, they become silent. Only for 5 minutes. Cheeky bastards. And for this place I pay 25k a month. It's about $420, I guess. And for electricity, water, Wi-Fi, everything together, average I paid about 5k. So in total 30k, which is almost 500 USD, which is pretty okay for this place, I would say. Let me know in the comments if you think it's worth it, $500 for this place. Yeah, unfortunately the sauna is not available anymore if you want to come here, so you know. Even if you want to buy, it's only 6.5 million, I guess, or 6 million to buy this condo, which is around 100k USD, which is pretty okay, pretty decent, I think, for this place. Yes, has a very nice location as well. But anyways, this was it for the condo tour. It was a very quick condo tour, I know. Just wanted to show you guys what you can have in Cebu, what's all around you. Obviously you have Avida. There's about 6 to 8 Avidas in IT Park, but obviously I think this one is a bit nicer. I looked into the Avidas as well. I've been there before, but yeah, I like this one. Anyways, it's my last day and heading to the islands now. Thank you all for watching and see you soon in the next one. Bye.